Messrs. Sudarshan Trader is a partnership firm in which Ram and Krishna are partners, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. From the following trial balance, prepare final account for the year 2018-19. Now, what is new in this question? This current account. इससे पहले आपने जितने भी क्वेश्चन देखे थे वहाँ पे करंट अकाउंट नहीं दिया था, करेक्ट? So remember guys, whenever current account is given in the question, it means this firm is following fixed capital method. So first you have to identify कि जो सम है वो फिक्स कैपिटल मेथड वाला है या फिर फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल मेथड वाला है, ठीक है? तो उसके लिए लॉजिक बहुत सिंपल है. अगर सम में करंट अकाउंट ट्रायल बैलेंस में नहीं दिया है, दैट मीन्स द फर्म इज फॉलोइंग फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल मेथड. एंड अगर सम में करंट अकाउंट ट्रायल बैलेंस में दिया है, देन फर्म इज फॉलोइंग फिक्स कैपिटल मेथड. अब ये दोनों के अकाउंटिंग ट्रीटमेंट में क्या चेंजेस होगा वो हमको देखना होगा. अगर आप यहाँ देखेंगे तो मैंने क्या लिखा है, पार्टनर्स रिलेटेड एडजस्टमेंट, एंड देयर आर टोटल 5 पार्टनर्स रिलेटेड एडजस्टमेंट्स गिवन, करेक्ट? सो वेरी फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट इज इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, देन सैलरी और कमीशन टू पार्टनर्स और नेट प्रॉफिट. जनरली व्हेन वी आर फॉलोइंग फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल मेथड, तो ये तीनों का जो एडजस्टमेंट होता है वो हम क्या करते हैं, ऐड टू कैपिटल कर देते हैं. मतलब इनका जो इफेक्ट होता है वो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, कैपिटल में ऐड कर देते हैं. बट जब आप फिक्स कैपिटल मेथड फॉलो कर रहे हो, इट मीन्स यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग करंट अकाउंट. ओके, सो अगर आप करंट अकाउंट बना रहे हैं तो ये तीनों एडजस्टमेंट कैपिटल में ऐड नहीं होगा. इंस्टेड इट विल बी ट्रांसफर टू करंट अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड. ओके, there are two more adjustments, that is drawing and interest on drawings. When you are following fluctuating capital method, that means current account is not given in the trial balance, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ड्राइंग को और इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग को कैपिटल में से लेस करते हैं. बट अगर वो फिक्स कैपिटल मेथड है यानी कि करंट अकाउंट दिया है, तो इंस्टेड ऑफ subtracting from the capital, these adjustment will be transferred to current account debit side. तो सिंपल याद रखना है, ये पांचों एडजस्टमेंट जिसमें से 3 एडजस्टमेंट आप कैपिटल में ऐड करते थे वो आप क्या हो जाएंगे, करंट अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड पे चले जाएंगे. और जो एडजस्टमेंट आप लेस करते थे, दैट इज ड्राइंग एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग, जो जनरली आप कैपिटल में से माइनस करते थे, दैट विल बी ट्रांसफर टू करंट अकाउंट डेबिट साइड. नाउ लेट्स प्रिपेयर फॉर्मेट. So this is trading and profit and loss account, this is current account, and this is balance sheet. Remember, whenever partner's current account is given in the trial balance, you have to prepare current account separately. Okay, now let's see very first adjustment. Stock on hand on 31st March 2019 was valued at rupees 38,000. So this is nothing but closing stock, and we know the two effects. First one is trading credit and the second one is balance sheet assets. So let's go to trading account credit side and we will write by closing stock and the amount is 38,000. Then balance sheet assets side we will write closing stock 38,000. Now let's read second adjustment. Ram is allowed a salary of 6,000 and Krishna is allowed a commission at the rate 3% on net sale. Salary or commission to partner is expense for the business. So first effect will be transferred to profit and loss account debit side. So we will write to Ram salary and the amount is 6,000. And the second effect, in normal question, it will be transferred to capital account and हम उसमें क्या करते हैं, capital में add कर देते हैं. But right now we are preparing current account, so this partner salary will be transferred to partner's current account instead of capital. But before writing anything into current account, first we will write down the opening balance in current account which is given in the trial balance. So Ram current account is 8,000 and Krishna's current account balance is 4,000. But remember, एक का बैलेंस डेबिट में है, दूसरे का बैलेंस क्रेडिट में है, करेक्ट? सो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, करंट अकाउंट के डेबिट में लिखेंगे टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन, एंड डेबिट बैलेंस किसका है, कृष्णा का है, तो कृष्णा के कॉलम में हम 4,000 लिख देंगे. एंड देन उसके बाद राम इज शोइंग क्रेडिट बैलेंस, सो वी विल राइट बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन एंड इन द राम कॉलम वी विल राइट 8,000. तो सिंपल सा लॉजिक है, जिसका बैलेंस डेबिट में दिया है उसको आप डेबिट साइड पे दिखाओ और जिसका करंट अकाउंट का बैलेंस क्रेडिट साइड पे दिया है उसका बैलेंस आप क्रेडिट साइड पे दिखाएंगे. Clear? Now the second effect of Ram salary will be transferred to partner's current account credit side and we will write by Ram salary. किसके कॉलम में लिखेंगे, राम के कॉलम में लिखेंगे 6,000. And in the same adjustment, Krishna is to allowed commission at the rate 3% on net sale. Now tell me, commission to partner is an income or expense? So simple है, ये भी business के लिए क्या है, expense है. तो profit and loss के डेबिट में हम लिखेंगे to commission to Krishna. But amount is not given, we have to calculate 3% on net sale. So let's find out net sale first. So sale is given in the trial balance is 2,08,000 and there is no sale return. अगर सेल रिटर्न होता तो हम वो माइनस करके नेट सेल निकालते, बट यहाँ पे सेल रिटर्न नहीं है, इट मीन जो सेल दिया है वही आपका नेट सेल है, ठीक है। तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले नेट सेल लिखेंगे विच इज 2,08,000 एंड ऑन दैट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट 3% इंटू 3/100, सो द फाइनल आंसर विल बी 6240. So commission to Krishna is 6,240 and this will also be transferred to partner's current account and we will write by commission to Krishna and in Krishna's column we will write 6,240. Let's go to third adjustment. Interest on partner's capital is to be provided at the rate 5%. Now interest on partner's capital is an expense for the business. So first effect again will be transferred to profit and loss account. We will write to interest on capital. First we will calculate interest on Ram's capital. तो राम का capital कितना था 1,60,000 and उस पे अगर आप 5% interest calculate करोगे so it will be 8,000. In the same way Krishna's capital is 80,000 and उसका 5% आ जाएगा 4,000. So total interest on capital will be 12,000. Now second effect of interest on capital will be transferred to partner's current account and we will write by interest on capital. राम का इंटरेस्ट कितना था 8,000 एंड कृष्णा का इंटरेस्ट 4,000. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस नेक्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट. प्रोवाइड डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन प्लांट एंड मशीनरी एट द रेट 5%. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट प्लांट एंड मशीनरी फ्रॉम द ट्रायल बैलेंस. इट इज देयर 63,000. First, this plant and machinery will be transferred to balance sheet asset side 63,000 and from this we are going to subtract depreciation which is 5%. If we calculate we will get 3,150 and after subtracting we get 59,850. Now the second effect of depreciation will be transferred to profit and loss account debit side. We will write to depreciation on plant and machinery and the amount of depreciation was 3,150. Let's read the fifth adjustment. 3,000 from a customer is not recoverable. We will discuss this later. Let's go to sixth adjustment. Prepaid insurance rupees 500. Let's find out insurance from the trial balance first. It is there 2,500 and we know that insurance will be transferred to profit and loss account debit side. So we'll write to insurance and the amount is 2,500. And in adjustment what is given? Prepaid insurance. So we have to subtract it. So less prepaid and the amount of prepaid is 500 and after subtracting we get 2,000. And the second effect of prepaid insurance will be transferred to balance sheet assets side. We will write prepaid insurance and the amount is 500. Simple. Now let's read the fifth adjustment. Rupees 3,000 from our customer is not recoverable. So this is nothing but bad debts and since it is given in the adjustment this will be called as new bad debts. And we know the two effects. First one is less from debtor and the second one is profit and loss account debit side. So first we will find out sundry debtor from the trial balance 1,73,500. So this will be transferred to balance sheet asset side 1,73,500 and from this we are going to subtract new bad debts and the amount of new bad debts is 3,000 and after subtracting we get 1,70,500. And the second effect of new bad debts will be transferred to profit and loss account debit side and we know the formula. First we will write old bad debts which is given in the trial balance. So old bad debts 500. Then we will add new bad debts जो हमें adjustment में दिया था 3,000. So total will be 3,500. Remember new RDD is not given so you can skip that. And from this we are going to subtract old RDD, correct? And old RDD is given in the trial balance 1,000 rupees. So 3,500 minus 1,000, the final figure will be 2,500. Now there is one hidden adjustment as well, this 12% government bond. This 12% is nothing but rate of interest. So we have to calculate interest, but before calculating interest we will transfer this government bond to balance sheet asset side. So 12% government bond 15,000. Now let's calculate interest. So 15,000 पे 12% हम calculate करेंगे, but remember we have purchased this investment on 1st January 2019 and the year end is 31st March 2019. So we have to calculate interest only for 3 months. That's why 3/12. So the final interest will be 450. So as per the information 450 का interest हमें receive करना था क्योंकि हमने investment किया है, correct? But in trial balance interest on government bond is not given. It means ये 450 का interest अभी तक receive नहीं हुआ है, it is receivable. And since it is receivable तो it is an asset. So हम asset में लिखेंगे और हम government bond में ही इसको add कर सकते हैं. Add interest receivable 450 and final figure will be 15,450. You can show this separately as well. and it is interest receivable, it means it is outstanding income. So the second effect will be transferred to profit and loss account credit side. We will write by outstanding interest on government bond, and the amount is 450. So with this we have completed all the adjustments. Now let's do the posting. Very first item is opening stock. This will be transferred to trading account debit side. We will write to opening stock and the amount is 36,000. Then the next one is capital. Capital will be transferred to balance sheet liability side, and Ram's capital is 1,60,000. Then Krishna's capital is 80,000 and the total capital will be 2,40,000. As we know, this is fixed capital method, तो इसमें कुछ add less नहीं हुआ और directly outer column में figure चला गया. And the next one is current account, और इसका posting हम already current account में कर चुके हैं. Then next one is purchases. This will be transferred to trading account debit side. Then sales will be transferred to trading account credit side, 2,08,000. Then next sundry debtor already done. Sundry creditor transferred to balance sheet liability side, sundry creditors 41,800. Then bill receivable, balance sheet asset side, bills receivable 47,000. Bills payable, balance sheet liability, and the amount is 21,000. Then commission given on the debit side, it means it is an expense, तो हम profit and loss के debit में लिखेंगे to commission 2,800. Then wages will be transferred to trading account debit side 1,760. Then salaries will be transferred to profit and loss account debit side 3,000. Then furniture will be transferred to balance sheet asset side and the amount is 25,000. Then plant and machinery already done, RDD already done. Investment will be transferred to balance sheet asset side as 10,500. Then next loan and advances given. Now remember, loan and advances given hai, it means in future money is receivable, so this is an asset. So loan and advances given कहाँ जाएगा? Balance sheet के asset side पे we will write 35,240. Then insurance already done, bad debts already done, and government bond already done. So with this we have completed posting as well. Now let's do the balancing of trading account. And the total of trading credit is 2,46,000 and debit side total of trading account is 1,37,760. So the balance figure will be 1,08,240 and this is our gross profit. And as we know, the greater total will appear as total of both the side and the difference figure will be transferred to lower side, that is debit side, as gross profit. And this gross profit will be transferred to profit and loss account by gross profit brought down 1,08,240. Now let's do the balancing of profit and loss account. So the credit total is 1,08,690 and the debit total is 37,690. So the balance figure is 71,000 and this is our net profit. Again, the greater total will appear as total of both the side and the difference figure will be transferred to lower side, that is debit side, as net profit. So we'll write to net profit carried down. Generally ये net profit हम कहाँ transfer करते थे? Capital में. But this time we are following fixed capital method. So this net profit will be transferred to partners current account and this will be distributed among Ram and Krishna. Now let's discuss division of net profit. Now in the question, profit sharing ratio was given, correct, which is 3:2. सो हमें ये जो 71,000 है ये 3:2 के रेशो में डिवाइड करना होगा. सो राम शेयर्स विल बी 42,600 एंड कृष्णा शेयर विल बी 28,400. ओके, तो राम के सामने हम लिख देंगे 42,600 एंड कृष्णा के सामने लिख देंगे 28,400. एंड दिस विल बी ट्रांसफर टू पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड. वी विल राइट बाय नेट प्रॉफिट ब्रॉट डाउन 42,600 एंड देन 28,400. नाउ वी विल क्लोज दिस करंट अकाउंट. सो फर्स्ट हम लोग क्या करेंगे, राम का क्रेडिट टोटल निकालेंगे. जो क्रेडिट टोटल होता है 64,600. राम के डेबिट में कुछ भी नहीं है तो डेबिट टोटल इज 0, करेक्ट. सो द बैलेंस फिगर विल बी 64,600 ओनली. देन कृष्णा का अगर हम देखेंगे तो क्रेडिट टोटल कितना है 38,640 एंड द डेबिट टोटल इज 4,000, करेक्ट. आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग वी गेट 34,640. नाउ हाउ टू प्रेजेंट दिस? The greater total will appear as total of both the side and the difference figure will be transferred to lower side, that is debit side 64,600. In the same way कृष्णा के कॉलम का भी हम प्रेजेंटेशन दिखाएंगे. The greater total will appear as total of both the side and difference figure will be transferred to lower side, that is debit side 34,640. So this is nothing but this is closing balance of current account. So इसके सामने आप लिखोगे balance carried down. And this closing balance of current account will be transferred to balance sheet liability. So we'll give the heading partners current account. And राम का बैलेंस कितना आया करंट का 64,600 एंड कृष्णा का बैलेंस कितना आया 34,640 एंड टोटल हो जाएगा 99,240. And after this, we will tally the balance sheet, and the tally figure is 4,02,040 rupees.